Why is mocking crucial for reliable integration testing of external services? Imagine trying to test your application but the external service you're relying on is slow, unreliable, or even temporarily unavailable. That can make testing frustrating and inconsistent. Now, what if you could simulate that external service perfectly every time? That's where mocking comes into play. Mocking is a way to create fake versions of external services like application, programming interfaces, databases, or third-party systems. It allows you to pretend these services are working just as you want during testing. This approach helps you focus on how your application's parts work together without being affected by outside factors. One big reason mocking is so important is that it isolates your application logic. When you mock external dependencies, your tests only check your code. You don't have to worry about network issues, service outages, or rate limits from real services. This means you can verify that your application makes correct API calls, handles data properly, and follows your business rules without external hiccups. It makes your tests more dependable. Another advantage is control. With mocking, you can simulate different responses from external services. For example, you can test how your app reacts when a weather API returns a sunny forecast or when it reports an error. This helps you prepare for real-world scenarios that might be hard or costly to reproduce with actual services. You can also test edge cases, like timeouts or invalid data, to see how your app handles them. Speed is also a big factor. Mocked services respond instantly, unlike real services that might take time to reply or be slow due to network issues. Faster responses mean quicker tests. Plus, fewer flaky tests happen because external services are often unpredictable. This stability is essential for continuous integration pipelines, where quick and reliable feedback is key. Mocking also lets you start testing early. When external services are still under development or not available in staging environments, mocks let you begin integration testing right away. This helps catch bugs sooner and supports parallel work streams. It's a way to keep development moving without waiting for every external system to be ready. Cost and resource savings are another benefit. Making repeated calls to real external services can rack up costs, especially if they charge per request. Using mocks avoids this, saving money and reducing dependency on third-party systems. It also means you're not limited by API usage caps or performance issues of external services. To keep your mocks accurate, you need to update them whenever the external service changes. This means keeping mock responses aligned with the latest API contracts or service specifications. Doing so ensures your tests stay relevant and avoid false positives or negatives. There are many tools available to help with mocking, like WireMock or MockServer. These tools let you create rules for responses or generate dynamic responses based on your needs. You can even set up mocks alongside your databases and message brokers using Docker Compose, creating a realistic environment for testing your backend. In the end, mocking external services during integration testing is about making your tests more reliable, faster, and easier to run. It helps you verify how your application interacts with APIs, databases, and other systems without depending on their availability or stability. While it's important to occasionally test against real services to catch any contract issues, mocks give you a safe and controlled way to develop and test your backend effectively.